But everything is not about tuberculosis. So I just read John Green's Everything is About Tuberculosis, which is an excellent book. But in the introduction, he makes a point that I think everyone should think about. He says he was obsessed with tuberculosis, and he started to see it throughout all these threads of history. But it's reductive to say that everything is tuberculosis. It's partly because he was looking for it and he could see those threads and bring it together in this book. And one of our challenges in our social media age is that we reduce things to 7 seconds, 30 seconds, and our brains get really satisfied with a single clear solution. This is in fact something he also brings up in his book, talking about how people want to have a reason. And probably the number one comment I get when I do any video about abstraction is, well, it's obviously because of the CIA. And that's incredibly reductive and not exactly true. And what it does is when we consume reductive content over and over and over, one, it makes us become very confused when content isn't that reductive. And two, it makes us forget the connections between these things because everybody is reduced to a single note. So we cannot create a whole song because we don't know which parts go in which order. And throughout the book, he continues to say, well, this is part of it, but it's not everything. Reminding us that everything is actually not tuberculosis. This book just helps us understand everything through tuberculosis. But we can extrapolate that for everything you see on the internet. Abstraction isn't because of the CIA. It's part of a whole lot of other things, including fascism. Our current political woes aren't just because of MAGA. When we reduce our stories to very few things, we eventually can't even understand the story in totality. Also, go read this book.